Good evening, all. Good evening. Yes, Ananya, good evening. Harini, good evening. Jivika, good evening. Good evening, all.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Okay. So, how was your test yesterday? How was your test yesterday?
Good, sir.
Okay, sir, but I have a small doubt, sir.
Yes, actually, I posted the whatever the questions were printed mistakenly. So I just recorrected that. I just posted in that
Sir,
WhatsApp group.
actually, I had submitted my test before you had sent that, sir. So I did not change my options.
Sir, same me too, sir. But by luckily I got the correct
Actually,
answer.
I told right. So what I told here is, whatever the mistake you have, feel free to text me. That's what I told. Isn't it? So, but you guys didn't do that. I asked, like, couple of days back, not couple of days back, many days ago, I just asked you to text if you have any doubts, if you have any doubts in terms of questions. So, feel free to text me. That's what I told. But I don't understand why why you couldn't drop me a message.
Sorry,
Yeah,
I did not remember. I'll do it from next time, sir.
yes. Basically, yeah, there will be a kind of typing mistake and all. See, no problem, but you can identify the option is easily actually by looking at that. See, wherever you have or divided by 4, it printed as R4, something like that, isn't it? So we'll just look at the question paper once. We'll discuss the question paper. So look at the first question. Let me share the screen. Am I audible to you all clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Look at what is the first answer is going to be? For the perimeter of the one of the faces of the cube is this much. Very simple question. Tell me, one of the face of the cube is this much. Then what is the volume?
So for
What is the formula we need to use here? Cube. Cube.
so S cube.
Let's see. What is the answer? Everyone, see. You should tell me how did you solve. You can't. You can't. Simply
If the
just.
perimeter of all the sides is 40, then one side will be 10 centimeter. So 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter square. I mean cube.
I didn't get you. Yeah, I can't hear you properly. Can you please talk loudly?
Sir, a square has 4 sides, right?
Cube. Cube. He is talking about cube.
Yeah, I mean in a cube, a square has 4 sides. So
Yeah.
one of the side will have 10 centimeters because all the combined is 40 centimeters. So the formula is S cube. So 10 into 10 into 10 is 1,000. So C is correct answer.
How many of you have solved these questions, guys? How many of you have solved? I need a response from every one of you.
Sir, I saw it.
Yes.
Sir, I solved.
I'm gonna ask you from here on. See, many of
I
you.
too, sir.
Yes, many of you guys, what they are doing is they are simply copying from the internet. So I'm gonna ask individually by taking their names. So you must be in a position to explain that particular question. So yes. So let me ask. Yes, Jivika, can you please explain how did you solve this question? Jivika, are you here? Jivika, are you here or not? Okay. I ask. See, many I have been saying the same thing that when I'm asking you, when I'm calling you for something, you must respond to that question. But I'm very, see, Akshit, are you here, Akshit? Sai, Akshit. Hello. Sai Akshit, are you here? See, if you are not responding, I should decide that yes, you are not ready to explain that, and you don't know how to explain that. Should I just think like that? Should I just my mic does not work? Okay. See, those who are not responding, then I should feel and I should think that yes, this student is not able to talk and not ready. If you solved, you must tell. If you have doubts, or I have a doubt in this. Then, yes, Kaji, how did you solve this, Kaji? Kaji Tayaba. You make it fast. We need to finish 15 questions up. Okay. She is not responding. Leave it. Mohit,
Yes, sir.
yes. Can you please explain this?
So for the first question, they said one side or one face of a cube, the perimeter is 4 centimeters. So since all the four sides of a square are equal, we can say the perimeter of a face of a cube is equal to 4s. And so 4s is equal to 40. So if s is equal to 40 by 4, which is equal to 10 centimeters.
Great.
And sir, the volume of a cube is equal to s cube, which is equal to 10 cubes, sir. So 10 cube is equal to 1000 centimeter cube.
That is great. So very good. So everyone should respond. Everyone should respond and explain in the way as Mohit explained. Great. See here, the perimeter of one of the faces of the cube is 40 given. The perimeter of the one of the faces of one face. One face is looks like how square. So what is the perimeter of that? Perimeter is nothing but what? All sum of all the sides. So perimeter of the square is 4s or 4a. Okay. So 4a is equal to 40, then a is equal to how much? 10 centimeters. So volume, we know that volume is a cube. Substitute there, you are going to get 1000 centimeter cube, as simple as that. Hope it is clear to everyone. Yes or no? Hope it is
Yes,
clear
sir,
to
clear.
everyone. Yes, great. So yes. Harini, can you please explain the second question? Harini, everyone will get an opportunity to explain. So please, Harini, tell me. Harini, are you here? The cuboid having surface area of 3 adjacent faces as A, B, C, it has the value volume. What is the volume of this? Harini, are you here or not? Harini?
Sir, can you explain question 2?
Yes, yes. See, the people who has solved that, they have to explain. If no one is explaining properly, I'll go for that. Yes. Aditya, can you please explain this question?
So, yes, sir. So then the sides of the cuboid would be ABC of the cuboid. And then ABC are the 3 adjacent faces of the cuboid.
Tell me, carry on.
Sir, I cannot hear you.
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Come on. I'm not talking. Yes, you carry on. Hello. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, sir, we can.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yes. So I think he has some problem. Yes. So guys, if you can't hear me, I'll write something. Can you hear me like that? Okay. Yes. Mohit, sorry, what is his name? Aditya. Please carry on. Tell me. Okay. Well, Ananya.
Sir, I got this wrong, so I also have a doubt in this question.
Okay. Piyush.
Sir, can I?
Right.
Question number 2, right? So which one?
Second one.
Sir, question number 2, right?
Bhargav, I didn't ask you. Keep quiet for a while. I'll ask you, then you respond. Okay.
Go ahead, sir.
So everyone will get an opportunity to explain. So you need to respond. So many of you are copying from the internet. That is what I just got to know that. But it shouldn't be like that. So yes, definitely I'll take the people who are not responding when I'm calling. So you must respond immediately. Until and unless you have problem in your mic, yeah, there might be a chance of that you can't what do you call that? You can't uh, respond to my question. Yeah, there is a valid reason, but you can't have mic issue every time. So yes, Piyush. Tell me,
Yes,
Piyush.
sir. So the question two, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. Like, suppose the area is for one side the area is L into B, other side it is L into H. So like for one phase it is L into B, and the other one is L into H, and another one is B into H, right? So then, like if L into B, suppose
1
A.
second, Piyush, please give a pause. Give a pause.
Yes, sir.
Yes, give a pause. I'm sorry to interrupt. So, every one of you presented over here, the students who did not able to solve this question, they also must listen this. Again, I'll ask. Yes, first of all, let's say that Ananya didn't get this question, and Sujay didn't get this question. After Piyush explains that, then I'll go for Sujay. Sujay has to explain that, which means you have to listen what exactly Piyush is explaining here. All right, so it is not the case that I'm just asking him, that is for the sake of Piyush alone here. So this is for everyone, so everyone should listen. All right, yes, Piyush, carry on. Sorry.
Yes, sir. Sir, so suppose LB is equal to A, and BH is equal to B, and LH is equal to C, suppose.
Yes, he
So
has given
then,
he has given adjacent sides, right? Adjacent with LB,
yes, sir.
BH, HL. Hmm. Hmm.
Yes, sir. So then we get LB into BH into LH as A into B into C, right? So then we'll get it as L square B square H square is equal to ABC. Then LBH whole square will get it as ABC. And so after that, if we take root over on both sides, you'll get LBH, which is the volume, actually the volume, as ABC, LBH square root over is equal to ABC root over, or LBH is equal to root over ABC, or we can say volume is equal to root over ABC.
Yes, apart from Piyush, how many of you guys got the answer?
Sorry, sir.
Apart from Piyush, how many of you got the answers? I'm asking others. Piyush.
So Mohit got, sir.
So I didn't get.
Okay. Yes, Mohit. Can you please explain your?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Harini was responding something. Harini. I think.
No, sir, I was not speaking anything.
Okay. I asked you something. You didn't respond. Why?
Did you ask, sir? I did not actually. I was there in the class, sir. Okay, sir. Sorry.
Okay, no problem. Okay. Yes. Mohit, carry on, Mohit. Tell me,
I
Mohit.
Yes, sir. The second question, right, sir? Yes, sir. So first, what I did was let the sides of the cuboid be A, B, C, sir. And then the three adjacent faces of the cuboid will be X, Y, Z. So we can say that X is equal to AB, Y is equal to BC, and Z is equal to CA. And when we multiply,
YAB.
sir,
is
it's
equal to AB?
one face, right, sir?
Yeah, one face. X is equal to AB. You are right. Yes. I'm asking you the question. Why should we take that AB?
So, like, if we want one face, it should be either length into breadth or breadth into height or height into length.
Yes. Great. That should be the answer. Yes. Okay. Carry on.
Okay, sir. So then, if X into Y, like X into Y into Z is equal to AB into BC into CA. So XYZ is equal to ABC whole square, sir.
So
like we can
X, Y
take
into
A
Y into
common,
Z,
B common, C
AB
common.
into BC into CA. So
CA, sir.
A square, B square, C square.
C square.
Everyone should. So ABC whole square. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
So XYZ is equal to, this is
And
what you got.
sir, then XYZ is equal
Okay.
to ABC whole square. and ABC is equal to root of XYZ.
So we need acha, ABC is equal to root of XYZ.
XYZ, sir.
So XYZ, which means what? What is the volume? Which of the following is going to be satisfied?
So C.
Sorry, sir.
Which of the following option is going to be satisfied here?
C.
Sir, here option B, sir. Root ABC.
Sir, I didn't understand one thing here, sir.
Yes.
So what's XYZ?
Yes, sir, that's the question, sir.
Yes. He has given.
Oh, sir, should I explain it with faces as A, B,
No.
and C?
No problem. No problem. No problem. Okay. Anyhow, you have explained it in a well manner. No problem. Look at this. I'll explain it, every one of you. Listen to me carefully. Yes. So let's say that I have a cuboid like this. I think I can't write properly today actually. Yes. Let's say that I have something like this. Okay. Okay. I have something like this. So
Yes, sir.
he has given what? This is my length. ये हो गया मेरा length हो गया. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
And this is my what? Breadth. ठीक है. This is what my what? H. ठीक है. H. So now if you talk about guys, adjacent, he's talking about adjacent faces, right? Adjacent faces. So
Yes,
you
sir.
just give the names of this. So
Sir, he's talking about the areas of adjacent.
look at
faces.
this. This is a one face, the top one, this one. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And this one, let me just change the colors. Guys, are you getting any noise from my side? Hello?
No,
No
sir,
noise,
noise, sir. No noise.
No.
A little hammer noise is coming, but nothing
Yes.
else.
1 second, Piyush. Sujay, this is a one page. All right. So, and this will be one page. This one. 1 second. Let me use different colors. Yes,
So
yes.
like
Adjacent.
face.
అదే చెప్తున్నాను. పైన ఈ side, like top one, the side one, and this one. Yes or no? These are adjacent. If you imagine properly, above, right, and the front one. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? These are adjacent. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Though the black color one, can I give कुछ भी name दे दो उसका नाम?
A.
Or else no, the green one uses a top surface. I'm just top surface. I'm giving as A. ठीक है, this is my A. Okay, try to understand that. And if I'm giving this as कुछ भी ले लो adjacent, इसको ले लो C. समझ में आ रहा है? Yes, these are our A, B, C. ठीक है? हाँ. Yes. What is the
So
area?
the
of the-
area is ABC.
Sorry.
So the area is ABC, right?
No. I'm giving the names. Adjacent faces he has given, right? So this is A, this is B, this is C. A face, B face, C face, isn't it? I'm just considering the faces. I'm giving the names. Okay. What is the area of the? What is the area of the green color? What is the area of that A face? What is the area
No,
of that?
sir, I mean like if it's given as cuboid having surface areas of 3 adjacent faces as ABC, right? So I mean like the area should be ABC, right? Rather than the
Yeah.
name.
We'll come to that. I didn't finish the answer still. Okay. So we have to solve answer for your understanding purpose. I draw the diagram. I'm just giving the names of the spaces. So yes, you
Yes,
have
sir.
still the answer, please. Okay. So what is the area of what is the area of the top surface? The top face, which
Sir,
means
LB.
sorry.
LB, sir.
That's great. LB, length and breadth. ठीक है, area. So area of the green color part. Let me give you the area of the. Let's say that this could be. This is what. Let me write a green color. I'm just writing with the respective colors, guys. So try to understand. Okay, respective colors. Area. So what is the area of the green color part? The green color one. L into B.
B.
Okay. Okay. So red color one. What is the area of the red color part?
H into B, BH.
Very good. So area. Red color part is what?
BH.
B into H. So length into breadth. So BH. What is the area of the black color? The black color one?
LH.
Area is going to be what? L and H. Okay? Yes. So now I got to know that this is my A face. This is the area of the A, this area of the B, this is the area of the C. All right? Am I correct? Yes. Hope it is
Yes.
clear. Now look at this here. Area is what now? A, B, C can be written as what, beta? A, B, C किस कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम लोग? Can write LH, sorry, LB into BH plus HL. ठीक है? Yes or no? So this can be written as what? ABC is equal to L square, B square, H square. This is what I can write now. LBH,
Yes, sir.
LBH is equal to what? LBH whole square is equal to ABC. So from this LBH can be written as what? Square root of ABC.
Under root of ABC.
Yes, sir.
Under root of ABC. What is LBH here? Volume of the cuboid. So therefore, volume is going to be what? Square root of ABC.
Sir, you're not audible.
Just 1 second. Hello.
Yes, sir, now you're audible. Sir, are you speaking?
Sir, I was on a phone call also.
Yes. Can you hear me now? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is what the volume is going to be. Aya samajh? Yes or no, children? Hope it is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Next question. So how many have you done with the next question? Yes, Ananya, have you done with this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you please explain?
Yes, sir.
Yes, first look at this. What exactly he has given in the question? What exactly he's asking us to find? What did you understand from the question? Please tell me that first.
Yes, sir. So, sir, there is a cylinder, sir. So, sir, there are two cylinders. In one of them, the radius will be 2r, and one of them will be r. So we have to find the volume of the new cylinder and the volume of the old cylinder, and write them in a ratio, sir.
Okay.
So the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h, and in this place, this is for the old cylinder, sir, because r is r here. And if we take the new cylinder, r will become 2r. It's given in the question that the radius of the cylinder is double, right? So it will
Right.
become 2r. So if we replace 2r in the place of r in the formula, we'll get 4 pi r square h. So if we write them in a ratio, 4 pi r square h is to pi r square h. Pi r square h and pi r square h gets cancelled. So it's 4:1.
Yes. So we have two cylinders here, the actual cylinder and the new cylinder, right? So the radius of the cylinder is what? Double, and the height remains same. That is what he has given. So look at this. I have two cylinders. Let me write C. Let me write radius of the old cylinder, RO. Let's say that R. What is the radius of the new cylinder? 2 times of R. That is what he has given, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is what, guys, you know, RO is nothing but radius of the old cylinder. Rn is nothing but radius of the new cylinder. That is how I'm denoting. So what is the volume? We know here is talking about the ratio between the volume of the new cylinder and the original cylinder is what? Very simple. Volume of the old cylinder is what?
Pi r square h.
Pi r square h.
For the volume of this, well, let me write properly, children. Volume of old cylinder gives you what? Pi r square h. Volume of the new cylinder is what? Pi. 1 second. Look at this. Volume of the new cylinder is gives what? Pi. What is R here? 2 times of r square h. So pi r square h
Also pi d h.
4 pi r square h. Isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is asking for? The ratio of the new cylinder and original cylinder ratio. So 4:1 is the answer. Very simple, right? So ratio new first is asking for new. D is to pi r square h. So pi r square is remain with 4:1. Clear? Any doubts? ఎంత సింపుల్ ఉంది, ఎంత పెద్ద విషయం అది. హలో పీపుల్.
Yes, sir.
Yes, next question. Length of the diagonals of a cube. Length of the diagonal of a cube side is what? Make it fast. What is the length of the diagonal of the cube of a side a centimeter? One side you have a centimeter beta. What is the length of the diagonal of that side? Yes, Bhargav, you can explain, Bhargav, now.
Sir, is it root 3a
Sir,
centimeters?
it's
Yes, root
sir,
3.
shall we? Sir, I know the formula, sir, but I don't know the justification, sir. It shall
Okay.
be root 3a centimeter.
How root 3a? Can you please tell me?
Sir, like I learned the formula, but I didn't learn the justification.
Okay. Any one of you please explain this? Choice is yours.
The Pythagoras theorem.
Kavya, can you please explain this? By using Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Kavya, can you please explain? Are you here, Kavya? Kavya, are you here? I think Kavya is not here. Harini, are you here? Can you please explain, Harini?
Actually, I did not solve the question paper. sir.
Okay, okay. See,
Yes.
look at this.
Are you speaking anything? Your voice was breaking again.
Yes, I'm speaking now. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. Now it's clear. Sir.
Yes. What he has given. The diagonal of a cube. What is the formula? How can we derive that? He has given.
So your voice is breaking, sir.
See, if you take a side, if you take a side. Hello.
So now it's clear.
Yes, if you take, guys, look at this. Yes. So if you take one side, length of the diagonal, look at this. This is a diagonal here. All right. So what is the diagonal? Let me consider this as anything. Diagonal means D. I'm considering. Okay. And what is the side? This side. Let us consider this as कुछ भी ले लो A. ठीक है?
Yes.
हाँ. Now look at this here. Can I write? Let us consider this as कुछ भी ले लो or else we take this as my d here. So let us consider this as x. Okay, what is my Pythagoras theorem here? D square is equal to x square plus
Plus
Plus a square.
a square. Okay.
Sir, can you put your, can you like speak louder?
Yes. What is diagonal here? Tell me. Diagonal is nothing but what?
Hypotenuse.
What is diagonal?
Hypotenuse.
One in place of diagonal, what can I substitute?
Hypotenuse.
root of
Huh?
sir root of x square plus a square.
Root of
X square
Plus
plus
a
a
square.
square.
x square plus what is a here? What is a here?
Side.
Side, sir.
Perpendicular.
Yes.
Square.
The area.
No, look at this here. I'm taking this x. आपको ऐसा नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, guys? Or else, see what is the body diagonal here? What is the body diagonal? Guys, my pen is moving here. 1 second. Yes. Now let me draw the diagram. 1 second. Okay. ठीक है? Okay. Yes. Now guys, look at this. If you observe this properly, all these are this is my one diagonal here. These all are x. Okay. These all are x here. So take these all are length is x, breadth is x, and height is x. This is also x. Okay. Yes. Yes. Now, whenever they ask you diagonal of a, so we have a formula. What is the formula? Diagonal of a cube. Diagonal of a cube is what? Root 3 times of that side. What is that? Root x. If I just take this. So by using this, what is the side he has given? A. So root 3 is going to be your answer. Like that, you can just easily can derive the, you can easily give the answer. But any one of you, I'm asking you to, how can we derive this formula? By using Pythagoras theorem. How?
So we can take, you can find the length of a diagonal of a face, and then since we already know that one side is suppose like 8 centimeters or something, then we can use Pythagoras theorem and take the side of like 8 centimeter, and the diagonal length and square is equal to the body diagonal square, and then we can find it out.
Piyush, your voice is a bit breaking actually.
So what I said is like find the face diagonal of one
Yes,
face
I can hear you. Face diagonal.
of one face,
Hmm.
and then take we already know the length of a side. Suppose it is a centimeter or something, and then we can take the Pythagoras theorem like a square plus diagonal square. Suppose it is d square is equal to the length of the body diagonal b square, like that.
Yes. So you're right. You're right. So if you take, guys, look at this here. If you take side as, I took side as x here, right? Huh. What is the face diagonal here?
Sir,
So
root 2a.
Sorry,
Sir, root 2a.
root 2a. How beta? Very good.
So by Pythagoras theorem.
By
Yes,
Pythagoras
sir.
theorem. Very good. So by Pythagoras theorem, root 2a I can write it out. Okay. So root 2 times of a. So what is the body diagonal? Full body diagonal. Body diagonal. Let us consider kuch bhi le lo. See, I can form a right angle triangle here. Guys, today I can't write this properly actually. One second. Yes. Diagram I'm not able to draw properly. Yes. So by using Pythagoras theorem, I can write this as what?
Root
So
2a.
yes, diagonal is equal to root 2 times of x. I'm taking x, right? Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
now, so I can just write this as what? X square plus root 2 times of x whole square is equal to what? Diagonal. Okay, diagonal. So how much I get here? X square plus 2 x square is equal to diagonal. So diagonal, how can you get here? Diagonal. 3 times of x square is equal to diagonal.
Sir, I understood, sir.
Yes.
Thank you,
So
sir.
3 x square. Need not to remember anything here. Very simple. Diagonal. तो diagonal क्या होता है?
Root 3
Diagonal
multiplied by
square.
x.
Diagonal square. So diagonal square is nothing but root 3 into what? Root 3 into x. So what is x given here? Given x is equal to a. So which gives you root 3 times of a. So a is correct like that. Hope it is clear. Next question. Volume of spherical shell. Make it fast, guys. There is no. This should be 2 by 3.
Sir, it's 4 by 3 pi r cube minus r. I mean
2
capital
by
R.
3. Yes, this should be like this. There should be by actually. I just posted in the group. Yeah. By using common sense also, you can just tell that there is a printing mistake, not 23 pi r cube. Yes. What is the answer?
So option C, sir. 43 pi r cube minus r cube.
What is the volume of hollow cylinder?
So it is
The option A.
4 by 3 pi uh, larger radius minus smaller radius, sir.
Larger radius minus smaller radius.
Smaller radius.
Guys, hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder is nothing but empty cylinder. Okay. Option. Which option is going to be correct now?
Sir, it is option A, sir.
Option A is going to be right answer. Make it fast. Next, sixth question. So seventh question. Radius of the sphere is 2r. Then what is volume will be? Very simple.
So 32.
So option
By 3 pi r
D,
square.
sir.
What I have changed this as 4 by 3. This is 8 by 3. 32 by 3. So tell
Yes,
me,
32 by 3.
how 32 by 3?
So the radius of a sphere is increased to 2. So then the volume will become, sir, 2
Radius of
into
the
4,
sphere.
sir.
Radius. What is this? What is the volume of the sphere?
So volume of
4 by
sphere
3
is
pi r
The
4
4
by
by
3
third
pi r
points.
cube, sir.
4 by 3 pi r.
Cube, sir.
cube.
So 4 into 8. 4 into 8. 32. So you can simply go with, if you know the formula, 4 by 3 pi into r. What is r here? So 2r.
R cube, sir. 2r
4
cube,
by
sir. Yeah, sir.
3 pi into
Into
8r.
pi into 8r cube, sir.
So 8 3 is 32 by 3 pi r cube. Which gives you option D is correct here. Okay, here this is 4 by 3, 8 by 3, 32 by 3. Option D is correct. Next question. In a cylinder, radius is doubled and height is half the curved surface area. Very good question. How many have you done?
Sir, Mohit, sir.
Sir, me too, sir.
Sir, I read too.
Sir, I did.
I have done it.
Very good. Many of you have done. What is the answer? Cylinder
Sir, the
radius is double.
same.
The
Option
same.
C.
Sir, it'll be
So
same.
same.
Yes.
It'll be
It will
same,
be the
sir.
same.
Radius is doubled. Radius is doubled. Height is half. What is the curved surface area? कुछ change
Sir,
ही
2
नहीं होगा
pi
बच्चों।
RH.
हाँ. Next question. Total surface area of the cone with a radius r square and height 2l. Total surface area of the cone is what?
Sir, it should be R by 2 here. Like,
Yeah, sir. You said it is
Yeah.
R by 2.
Yes, it is. Should. I changed it. I think, right?
yes, sir. You said it'll be R by 2. Yeah.
R by 2. Total surface area of the cone divided by 2. What is height? What's the height? Height 2l given. What is the total surface area? Cone. Can you hear me?
The pi R square. The
Yes.
pi R square plus.
Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the answer of the ninth one? Wait. No one should tell. I'll ask someone. Wait. Parth Ahuja. Parth Ahuja, what is the answer?
This
Yes, what is the total surface area of the cone when it has radius as r by 2 and height as 12?
um,
Yes.
2
tell
pi
me.
r into L plus R, right?
How?
Pi r into L plus R.
Can you please explain? Don't say the answer, explain it.
No, it's the formula, right? So, okay, so we have the radius and the formula of
Explain it, no problem. Yes.
yeah.
What
So
about
it's like pi r. I mean pi into radius plus pi into no, it's pi into radius into length plus pi into radius square. 2 radius. You have to use the formula and you have to input the value in.
Yes, guys, look at this here. Whatever the answer you said option C answer, right?
Yes.
But yes. Now Bhargav will explain. Bhargav, is it right or wrong?
Sir
Bhargav,
is right only, sir.
sorry?
I mean, sir,
Yes. How
what
come
I
it's right?
used is
How it is right? I'm saying that
sir,
that is
like
wrong. I'm
pi
saying
r
that that
L
is
plus pi r.
yes. I'm saying that is wrong. I'm saying option C is wrong. Yes. How
I mean,
come this?
option B is right. Like pi r multiplied by L plus R. I mean, R by 4 is equal to, is the correct answer, because if we substitute the values of the base radius with the R by 2 and slant height as 12, then we might get the right answer. Like
Pi r square plus pi r l. This is the formula, isn't it? So what is the radius
yes,
given?
sir.
R square, which means r by 4 plus r, which means r square by 4 plus pi into r by 2 into 2l,
Yes, sir.
right? So
Like
pi,
2 and 2 will be cancelled.
so 2
So
and 2 will be getting cancelled. So pi r common.
so pi r pi
Instead of cancelling,
pi r by
yes,
pi r square by 4
yes, you can
plus
instead of cancelling.
pi r L by 2 plus pi r L.
Instead
So
of
we'll
that,
get, if we take
pi r by 2 common, so r by
yeah,
r by 2 you remain with now r by 2 plus 2l.
I mean, like, sir, if we take pi r, we
Yes.
can take pi r as common, sir.
Yes, you can, what however you do. Okay. So what you remain with now? If you simply look at it, if you simplify, or else you can simplify in that way that look at this. Very simple. This the formula can be written as what? Instead of doing all this, can we write r plus l like this? Yes or no? So pi into radius given what? R by 2 giya hai. So r by 2 plus 2l. ठीक है? So just we have pi into multiply inside pi r square by 4 plus pi rl. ठीक है? Which of the following options is satisfying here? If I take pi r
So
common,
we can.
Sir, B is satisfied.
yes, option B is satisfying. Yes, Ananya, tell me.
No, sir. I was just gonna say that pi r should be taken common.
Yes, you can do like that as well, no problem. Look at this, pi r common తీస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది నాకు?
R by 4 plus L.
R by 4 plus L. This is
L.
what my answer from this. Option B is going to be correct like this. Next question. 10th one. 10th one, Kavya. Kavya will explain here. Aditi, can you please explain 10th one? Aditi, can you explain 10th one, please? Aditi, are you here? Make it fast. Guys, make it fast. What is the 10th one? The radius of the hemispherical balloon increases from 6 centimeter to 12 centimeter as air is being pumped into it. So yes, Aditi, the ratios of the surface area of the balloons in two cases is what?
Sir, can I say?
Yes.
Sir, I'm not Aditi, but can I say?
Yes.
So, sir, if we take R1 as 6 centimeter and R2 as 12 centimeter, the surface areas of, sphere with radius R1 is equal to 4 pi R1 square. And then for the second one, R2, it will be the surface area will be pi R2 square. So if we divide 4 pi R1 square by 4 pi R2 square, then we'll get R1 square by R2 square. So if we simplify 6 into 6 by 12 into 12, then we'll get 1:4.
See, it is hemisphere, right? It is increasing from 6 to 12 centimeter, which means what? What's happening? टोटल सरफेस एरिया क्या होता है फिर? बेटा ये पहले 6 था, 12 हो रहा है, ठीक है? तो व्हाट इज द टोटल सरफेस एरिया, क्या होता है? टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ टोटल सरफेस एरिया क्या होता है? अरे बताओ, एक सर्किल ज्यादा हो रहा है.
Sir, 4 pi r square.
4 pi r square.
How 4 pi r square?
So that's the That's the total surface area of a. Oh, sorry,
I'm
sir. It's
talking
2
about.
pi r square.
I'm asking about hemisphere, not sphere.
Sir, 3 pi r square, sir. Yes, 3
Very
pi.
good, very good. 2 pi r square plus 1 pi r square, 3 pi r square. Okay. Now that is 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square का मतलब क्या होता है? देखो first what is the first 6 centimeter, right? 3 into pi into r into r, 6 into 6. So how much?
So we don't need to simplify, sir. We can write it in the form of ratio and then we can
Yes.
cancel it.
Yes. 3 pi r square. Then when r is divided by 3 pi,
Into 12 into 12.
the radius 12 into 12. So any doubt here?
No
No, sir.
doubt, sir.
No doubt,
Next
sir.
question. 11th one. The length of the longest pole that can be put in a common group of dimension. Longest pole. This is a very good question. How many have you done this?
To me, sir.
Yes.
So
What is the
simply
meaning?
we have to find the body diagonal.
Yes, very good, beta. Need to
Sir,
understand.
sir, it will be root of L square plus B square plus H square.
Okay.
Sir, we can use the same formula of the cuboidal diagonal.
Yes, sir. It'll be root 225, sir.
Right. Very good.
Which is 15 meters. Sir.
Longest pole can be what? Diagonal. Length of the diagonal. What is that?
So 15 meters.
So
Root of 225.
10 square ka 100 plus 100 plus 25 plus 25, which gives you what? 225, which is 15 square. Children, are you able to understand every one of you here?
Yes.
What is the
Yes,
lateral
sir.
surface area of the cube? Lateral surface area.
So 4a square.
Lateral surface area of the cube is what?
So 4a square.
Huh? 4a square is equal to 256 given. So 4 ones, 4, 6, 4, 4. So 8 is equal, a is equal to 8. Isn't it? What is the volume of the
Yes, sir.
cube? What is the volume of the cube? Aditi, what is
Sir,
the volume?
512 meters.
What is the volume of the cube? A cube, 8 into 8 into.
Sir, it'll be 80.
So look at this last digit. Last digit should be 2. Isn't it? So which is option A only? Need not to write everything here. So 60, you can calculate 8 at 64, right? So 64 into 8. 8 4 12. Right? So last digit is 2. Only which option is coming here? Option A is correct. Right or not? That's how we can calculate easily. Next question. What is the radii of two cylinders are in the ratio and their heights are in the ratio. The ratio of their volumes is what, beta? Batao. Ratio given of radii of two cylinders. Height of the cylinders. Then volumes क्या होता है?
Sir, in place of the r and the h, we have to take it as 2r, 3r, and 5h and 3h.
Yes, sir.
If we replace it in the formula,
What is the volume
we'll
of
get
the
an
cylinder?
answer. Sir?
That's 20 by 27.
Huh?
So it'll be 20 by 27, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are right. By using volume of the cylinder. What is the volume of the cylinder?
Pi r square h.
So pi.
Yes, sir. So we'll get pi 2r whole square into 5h by pi 3r whole square into 3h.
Yes. So first you take one by one. So I have two cylinders here. Is it? What is the volume of the first cylinder?
Sir, can you increase the volume?
Pi 2r square 5h.
Now is it fine?
No, sir, your volume says no.
My volume. Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
This is the radius of the first cylinder, radius of the second cylinder. Okay, height of the first cylinder, height of. So pi r square h. So 5 into 2 times of
So pi 2r whole square, sir.
to h. Pi, what is the height of the first
5.
cylinder? 5h divided by pi
So pi 3r whole square,
3r square into 3h.
3h, sir.
So this is what he has given, isn't it? So pi will get cancelled, h will
Sir,
get cancelled,
and
r
r
square
square,
will
r
get
square
cancelled.
cancel, sir.
So 4
So
into 5, 20, 9 into 3, 27. Option B is correct. I'm getting 20, so I'll go for this option. No, there is 37 and 27. Check it out properly and decide the answer. Okay, any doubts? Any doubts?
no, sir.
Guys, here r square I cancelled. 2 square will be remain same. So 2 square 4, 4 5 is 20, 3 square remain same, 9 3 is 27. Like that. Hope it is clear. Very simple question. Need not write everything like a essay writing. Calculate in a short way and decide the answer. Sir, yeah. All right. Getting my point.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts in the 13th and 14th and 15th question? The cone 8.4 centimeter high and radius of its base is 22.1. Then it is melted and recast into a shape. Then radius of the sphere क्या होता है? Very very good question. Beautiful question. How many have you done this, beta? This is a very very good question actually. How many have you done this?
Sir, like first sir, I did it. I did.
Yes. Let me explain. How can you do this?
Sir, can
Sir,
I?
Mohit did it, sir.
Very good.
Sir, Bhargav did it.
Very very good.
PhD.
Sir, you're not audible, sir. So can you like increase the volume?
Now can you hear me? Yes. Look at this.
Yes, sir. Now I can hear you.
A cone. He's talking about cone and sphere, right? So cone recasted and just it's melted and recasted into a shape of which is called sphere, right? So cone converted as sphere. So what is the volume of the cone here?
So 1 by 3 pi r square h.
1 by 3
by
pi
3
square.
pi r square h. Okay. Volume of the sphere is what? 4 by 3.
So 4 by 3 pi r
By
cube.
3 pi
r
r cube.
Sir, and their volumes are same because
Okay. Yes. They have what?
sir, they're just recasted the metal in. So
Recasted.
their volumes are same.
Yes, volumes are same. What is the radius of the cone given? 2.1. ठीक है? So इसमें substitute करो अभी. The volume will be same. So 3 will be getting cancelled. Pi will be getting cancelled. R square will be getting cancelled. What do you remain with now?
But we don't know if
R is equal to H.
Right? R is equal to H. Yes, tell me.
so we don't know
It's
if
equal to
the
8.4.
radius is same or not, right?
I guess.
I didn't get you, Ananya. Can you please talk loudly?
Sir, if we remelt the cone into a sphere, we don't know if the radius is same or not, right? I mean, it can differ, right?
It can, see. Yes. See, when you are melting a cone, recasted into a shape. Okay. Which means దాని అర్థం ఏంటి అంటే ఒక కోన్ ని మెల్ట్
So
చేసిన
we
తర్వాత
won't know the radius, but the surface area would be similar because it's the same object which is recasted.
yes. అదే చెప్తున్నాను నేను. What I'm trying to say is, Ananya. So whenever you just melt some object and when you recast the same shape, which means there will not be no change. There will be no change. The quantity of the object which you are taking will not change, will not differ, which means volume will not differ.
Volume won't change, but radius might change, right, sir? Is what I'm saying. Because the formulas are not same, right?
Formulas are not same. So see here, volumes are same. Since volumes are same, what I'm getting here, R is equal to H. which means what was my radius here? 2.1. That is going to be my radius now,
Okay, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Getting my point? లేకపోతే నువ్వు సింపుల్ గా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసినా నీకు అలాగే వస్తుంది ఆన్సర్.
Okay, sir.
Substitute చేసి క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసినా, even you substitute and calculate, you will get the same thing. Okay, look at this here.
Yes, sir.
Or else you do one thing. Okay, one second. So if you do so, r cube is equal to what? R cube 2.1, 2.1, how much? 2.1 cube, how much beta? 2.1 cube, 21 cube.
4.41.
No, అది r square నువ్వు చెప్పేది 2.1 whole square, 21 square 441 కదా.
Yes, sir. So it will be 2.1. So that's why 4.
R is equal to h, yes. So similarly, so 9.2, see r cube is equal to 9 point something you get. So r is equal to 2.1, మళ్ళీ అదే వస్తుంది. Even you substitute and calculate, you will get 2.1 only మళ్ళీ. Okay, there will not be any change. Okay. Yes, the total surface area of the cube is how much? This much. The volume of the cube is what? Cube total surface area of the cube ఇచ్చాడు. Total surface area of the cube ఎంత?
So 6a square.
6a square. 6a square is nothing but 96. So 61660. A value how much?
4.
4. A value 4. Volume, he is asking for volume. Volume is nothing but what? A cube.
So
So
A cube.
60.
Yes.
64. So 4 cube is what? 64. This is what you are going to be answered. All right, beta. Getting
Okay,
my
sir.
point?
Yes.
So I'll share these notes with every one of you. Okay, need not to worry. Okay, thank you all. Have a nice day. Hope you understood. I'll declare the results by tomorrow, not today. Okay, actually, one second. I think my internet is not stable. My internet is not stable. One second. Now, can you all hear me? Yes. Okay, so I'll be posting the results by tomorrow. So till that, be wait. All right, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.